Hello and welcome to Beth Ramsden Crafts. In this video I'll show you the process of installing a neck mod onto my customised Blythe doll Akemi. Blythe dolls have downward tilting faces and this can make them hard to photograph and film, and I thought it would be nice if they had a bit more mobility and expression. I had thought about how I could modify the neck, maybe warming it up, bending it back. I had a look online and I discovered there were already various neck joints available to buy. They were all similar variations of an articulated neck joint, so I chose one from a seller on Etsy and now we can see if it works. Here's the Etsy page. The seller is Blythe. I'm not sponsored or anything, I just bought this myself. She has pictures and a simple photo guide for installation. And over here there's a link to a tutorial video. Here is my Blythe Akemi, ready for her transformation. I will have to remove her head, of course. First, let's open the package. A business card, the neck joint, and in here a screw for attaching it. I've already watched the installation video, so I know I need a screwdriver, also a scalpel and possibly sandpaper too. Before I start, I wanted to show you what I've added to Akemi since you saw her last. She wears removable wigs, and I've stuck these Velcro dots on to keep them secure. There are two here behind the ears, the soft side of the Velcro, and two here. This is the rough side of the Velcro. Okay, let's get started. First, I remove the 3 screws in the back. Then squeeze the ears to pop open the clasp and open up the head. Let's look at the neck. This is the jointed body, so other bodies may differ. I need to cut off this top part right along the groove. With a cutting mat underneath, I gently rock the blade and it comes off easily. I trim off a little burr and it's good. I'm just checking to see how the joint needs to fit in the head. The longer side faces forward. I can simply pop the joint onto the neck, a nice snug fit, and there's a hole in the top for the screw. It's a long screw, so I needed a better screwdriver, but now it's perfectly flush. I should be able to push it into this space in the head and close everything back up now. Maybe I haven't got it pushed all the way in. Let's try again. No. Try as I might, I cannot get it closed. The joint seems to be just a tiny bit too big. I will pry it open and try to shave off some plastic to get a better fit. It looked to be a 3D printed part, so I know it'll cut and sand quite easily. I scrape away some plastic with a scalpel. Don't worry, I am being careful, my fingers are very tough-skinned. And I'm sanding it smooth as well. Okay, let's try this again. It's looking closer than before. These heads are tough to squeeze. Yes, let's get these screws in again. Moment of truth. Does it work? Oh yes, it felt very stiff before it was on, but it does have a nice side-to-side motion. and forwards and backwards. There's a good range of motion there as well. Wow! It feels really sturdy, there's no wobble. I think I can shave it down a tiny bit more as it looks like the head isn't yet fully enclosed, but I'll do that another time. Gosh, she looks so different looking upwards. Here's her wig back on. Oh, I am so happy with this. She can be so much more expressive now. If you're looking for more mobility in your Blythe dolls, I definitely recommend trying one of these out. I will probably want more myself now. Well, thank you all for watching, subscribing, and leaving lovely comments and all that good stuff. You really are an awesome community and I appreciate it. I will see you in the next one. Bye!